Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making cabbage. So with cabbage mostly with the, how you can say, in salad, in vegetable, just we can eat like this with salad, but with if we cook this, not more delicious. But today I am cooking very delicious cabbage. So let's see how I will cook this delicious recipe for you. So we will clean the cabbage and start grilling. So viewers, I have grated the cabbage. Now I will add 1 tablespoon, yes. So viewers, I have added the grated the cabbage. I'm adding 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and zira powder, half tablespoon, chaat masala, 1 tablespoon, garam masala, half tablespoon, black pepper, half tablespoon, salt, 1 tablespoon, cinnamon powder, a pinch of, and coriander, just crush like this. The taste and the smell will be increased. And add besan. Add little bit butter and mix. Mix it very well. So we will put some oil in a pan and make a shape like this and fry this both sides very well. So viewers, this cabbage is ready. I have added some oil in a pan and cut the onion. I will brown this onion very well, and after that I will add 1 tomato and little bit black pepper, black salt. So we will add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Because spices are already in cabbage, so I just add turmeric powder and little bit red chili and fry this. When all spices are fried, put this all cabbage that I already fried. And just serve. So viewers, you can see this delicious cabbage is ready. I hope viewers you will like this recipe. This is very delicious, yummy. If your children don't like cabbage, make this like I cook. So I hope viewers you will like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Bye bye. See you next time with new recipe.